What's up, everybody? Real fast, hopped in here to show y'all what's going on with this new version of Bank Executive version 2. Okay, I know y'all be like, man, Jimmy, you got another one? Yes, I got another one, guys. Okay, so let's break down what it is, and as you can see, we're on Hugo's Way Live, and let's break down what's happening. Okay, so as you can see, the robot has entered me in two trades here. What did it do here? It pretty much entered me on the MA cross, and then it entered me on price breaking structure through the cloud. Okay, so pretty much you hear, oh, MA crosses don't work. Let's zoom in on the chart. Let's zoom in on the trade that I'm talking about in particular. And let's zoom in, okay, because I like to look at my chart zoomed out. So as you can see, the signal came out right here, and we hopped in the trade. The MA cross popped out right here. We took the trade a little late, but we still got in the trade, as you can see. And I'm wrong. As you can see, the MA cross popped out here, hopped in the trade, and the signal came out here. Now, for those of you who take the class, you do know what's happening right now in front of you, right? What did I say about the first signal after the MA cross, right? That's really the move you want. Once you take this move, you do not have to worry about trading no more for the rest of the week, guys. As you can see, let the robot talk. Let me turn the robot off because we gonna let the robot flex on nobody that ain't got it. But let's talk about this right here, okay? So as you can see, we've been in this trade for how many days, guys? Let's just put the period separate on and count how many days we've been in this trade. Now, mind you, Bank Executive is a scalping robot. Let's be clear. And we've been in this trade off a scalping signal for one. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trading days, okay? So we've been in this for 7 trading days. That means we got in this trade on a Friday and we went to the next Friday. Now this current Monday, we're in it still. And this came off of a scalping signal. That's why I tell you Bank Executive can do pretty much anything. Once you enter on this one, you're good. You know, you're good for a little while. So boom, we entered the trade. We took 2 moves, as you can see. Let's go back because this is the day we entered, and we took both strategies that the robot is giving out. So pretty much Bank Executive 2 is giving you this new move of the MA cross at the beginning of a trend. So every time the trend is beginning or is shifting, you're gonna get that target that pops out. But what this robot is gonna do, it's gonna actually take the trade if you allow it. Now you can get the signal and you can look at it and determine if you agree, or you can let the robot just jump in the trade. But however, we are live, guys. We are looking at 866 pips on a live chart off of this signal. 2 trades. So we're at 433 pips twice. Okay, so that's how we got the total of 866 pips currently, guys. So Bank Executive 2, as you know, it's a talking robot. It's going to tell you whenever something is happening on the market, and it's going to take the trade if you have it turned on. If you have it turned off, it'll still give you an alert. It'll still send it to your phone, and you decide if you agree with the analysis that you see on the chart. Now, of course, the indicator is teaching you price action. So if you don't understand, just study the indicator, watch the indicator. It's going to teach you everything you need to know. Now, does it win all the time? Of course it does not. If I said that, that would be lying to you. However, though, for any trades that you may not win, look at when you do hit and how many you do hit for. Okay? So this is Bank Executive 2. We've added the new strategy. Oh, and don't forget to look over to the right. We have trade management now on the chart, so that any trades that you're in, you can see all your trades on the one chart now, just like the Pyrex Vision. Of course, the Pyrex Vision is a little bit better. It has better features, but this is for people who want to manage their trades and want to get into learning how to manage multiple trades. Or if you just want to know what's going on, okay? So we have added the trade management system to it. We have the news filter on here. We have, so if news is happening, you can tell it not to trade before news or trade after the news, how long ever. You can tell the robot what time or what session you wanted to trade. Say you don't want to get up for London, but moves are happening on a certain pair during London. Turn the robot on and go to sleep. I do it all the time. I'm not lying to y'all. So this is what Bank Executive 2 is about. This is the new trading strategy that it's using. These are the new qualifications for it and the new quality of life improvements we added to it. So as you can see, it's tons of trades in this corner that we're looking at. And that's it. that's it, guys. Pretty much, that's what we have going on. Okay, so yeah, there's not really much more I can tell you guys. I mean, 866 pips on a live market. I don't know what else to tell y'all, man. And we hopped in this trade. We've been in this trade for a week and a day, and we're still in it. There's no reason. I mean, it tried to fake us out a couple times, and also the beauty of the robot. Once you're in the trade, you can tell her, hey, just take one trade, two trades. You can tell her how many to take now. You can stack like I'm doing. Like if you look at my GJ and the right hand side, you see that I'm in about 7 positions on GJ. So that's how I'm able to get 2,000 pips. People go, oh, yo, you only took one trade 10 times. I'm like, yeah, but each trade is 100 pips, 200 pips, 300 pips. So it doesn't matter. In this position, I'm 400 pips per position, and it's 2 trades, okay? So now you can stack like me if you want. You don't have to stack like me. Remember, if you catch a trade like this, you don't have to trade for the rest of the week. I don't know what else I can say to y'all to make this any easier for y'all. But pretty much, just follow the indicator, study it, watch it, get a pair that you like, and just look at it, and you will definitely learn how to trade that pair based off the indicator, and the robot will get you in those trades, okay? So it's your boy Jimmy. If you have any questions, definitely leave them in the comments or just DM me. Join the Discord to ask me anything personal. If you want to ask me something in private or anything like that. And I said, I'm very proud of these systems. I spent so much time breaking my butt getting these to y'all. And I hope you guys enjoy. Like I said, if you having any problems with the robots, or you don't understand something, or you want to learn something in particular that I'm doing, just hit me up and let's set up some kind of Zoom, and I'll get you straight, guys. You know what I'm saying? You don't have to keep struggling to trade. Okay, so like I said, some people go, hey, the indicators are ugly or this and that. Listen, guys, you do what you got to do to get by, because they're gonna do what they got to do to fry you. Okay, that's my argument to people who say silly things like that. Okay, if you want to sit there and try to figure it out on your own, knock yourself out. Do whatever it is you do. Hey, me personally, I love this automation, and I'm never going to stop. They're going to have to ban the snowman. You hear me? Anyway, it's your boy Jimmy. I'm out of here, guys. This is Bank Executive 2.